Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome again to my video class. Dear students, I think you have all watched our previous videos. Today I am going to discuss a new topic in this video. Dear students, look at the board. You see that there is a word note. Today I am going to discuss note. So dear students, today I will discuss what is note, objective of note, characteristics of note. Dear students, in modern era, note is an important thing to handle the situation or to take decision or to operate the administration nicely. So dear student, you have to know what is note. Actually, a note records a specific thing or fact. A note is a brief written record. In definition, you have to know that a note is a brief written record of a specific fact or some specific facts. Dear students, suppose a worker of a company has done something wrong. So the authority assigns a person or officer or someone else to investigate the matter or to make note, to make a record of the worker's points or his fault in a written paper. Dear students, a written record records some specific facts. It mainly it helps the authority to know about the situation clearly. So dear students, a note is nothing but a record of some facts or a specific fact. So dear student, in definition, we need not know many things else. We have just keep into mind that a note is just like making note of something, but in official note, in the definition of official note, it is something different from the other notes. So dear students, objective. A note has specific objectives. Dear student, a note, mainly a note is to help the authority. A note help the authority. A note is written to help the authority. The authority knows about the fact from the note. While preparing note, a note writer or a person who prepares note keeps some things into mind, records the events or the facts logically or specific way. So dear student, this written note is to help the authority. That means note helps the authority. The first objective of note is to help the authority. So dear students, it also assists the seniors. Sometimes a senior of an office needs note to take decision or to actually operate his juniors. So dear students, it usually assists the seniors. A note usually assists the seniors. A senior can know many things reading a note. And now comes the point, to help take decision. To help take decision. Generally, a note helps the authority or the seniors to take decision. To take a decision actually exactly or properly, a note is helpful. So dear student, when authority or the seniors look at the note, he can or read the note, he can understand the situation very nicely and to take decision actually logically or properly. A note is always is an helping materials to the seniors. So dear students, now I will discuss characteristics of note. A note has some different characteristics. First of all, look at the board. A note should be short. A note should not be elaborated. It will always be short and it is concise. No actually unnecessary discussion or written lines will be there in a note. Dear students, now comes the point of legible. It must be legible. That means a reader can read it and understand it very nicely. A note should have this quality. So dear student, reliable. A note must be dependable, reliable. There will always be some actually points that will help the authority or seniors to take the decision. So as this is so, it must be reliable. It should not be false. It should always be dependable or reliable. So dear student, it will be well organized. It will be well organized. There will be no actually unnecessary or what can I say, there will be no illogical or disorder lines in a note. The student, it will always be well organized. The points will be well organized. The specific facts or matters or events will be well organized in a note, so that the authority or seniors can grasp the real thing, actual thing from a note. That's why their students, I have tried my best to discuss the points of note to you. Dear student, it is very much easy. You have just to look at your books. If you look at some questions relating note, you will be able to understand note very nicely. Dear student, I will discuss the format of a note in my next class. I think you will be benefited from the lecture. Dear students, as time is going on, you have to keep pace with the time, because if you lag behind, you will not be able to complete your syllabus. So dear student, it is the necessity of time to involve yourselves in this class. And if you feel any problem, if you have any problem, just knock me over phone or messenger or comment section. I will be always available for you. Dear students, today I would like to finish here. So stay well, stay safe. Thank you very much.